Welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to introduce you to the world of OpenAI and their game-changing AI technology, ChatGPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformers. How important the concepts and what is happening and the speed of which the artificial intelligence is going to change humanity. It is something we all need to pay attention to, understand and use in our favor because it's happening and it's happening at a scale of which you cannot comprehend. Recently, OpenAI has been making headlines with its $10 billion investment from Microsoft. We'll be discussing how ChatGPT is revolutionizing industries and shaping the future of AI. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future of AI, this video is for you. So join us on this journey and discover the power of OpenAI. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to never miss a video. Let's get started. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by
Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Wojciech Zaremba, and John Schulman.
Elon Musk stepped down from the board of OpenAI in 2018. Sam Altman is the current CEO of OpenAI and also the former president of Y Combinator, a startup accelerator that has launched 3,000 companies like Airbnb and crypto projects like Filecoin. They have a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. According to a recent estimate, the company is now valued at over $4 billion. Since its release, ChatGPT reportedly hit 1 million users in just 5 days, making it the most rapidly adopted tech in history. In comparison, Netflix took 41 months, Facebook 10 months, Instagram 2.5 months. So what is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is a type of language model that is specifically designed to generate human-like text in a conversational context. It is based on the GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer Architecture, which is a deep learning model that utilizes neural network to analyze and generate text. ChatGPT involves feeding it a large database of text such as conversations, transcripts, articles, and books. The model then learns patterns and relationships between words and phrases by analyzing this data. It uses this knowledge to generate coherent and relevant responses when given a prompt or question. The GPT architecture is a transformer-based model that uses self-attention mechanism to analyze the input text and generate output. Transformer models are particularly well situated for language tasks because they can handle long-term dependencies in the input data, which allows them to understand the context and meaning of the text. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to perform specific conversational tasks such as question answering, dialogue generation, and language translation. Additionally, it can also be used in a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated customer services. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate captions, subtitles, and transcripts for videos on platforms like YouTube. Also, the model can watch the video and generate a transcript in real time, making video more accessible to people with hearing impairments as well as to viewers who speak different languages. ChatGPT can also be used to generate descriptions and titles that are optimized for search engines, which can help to increase the visibility and engagement of videos. One of the most exciting ways that ChatGPT is being used is in the field of cryptocurrency. The technology's ability to understand and respond to natural language input can be used to automate and analyze large amounts of data from social media, news, and other sources to provide valuable insight for traders and investors. Also, it can be used to review and verify the code of smart contracts and projects of the blockchain, helping investors to make more informed decisions and reducing the need of third-party auditing. But the potential of ChatGPT doesn't stop here. As the technology continues to evolve, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and affect various industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Now, let's talk about open source AI. So what is open source AI? It is a type of AI software that is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. While this type of AI can be beneficial in terms of cost effectiveness and collaboration among developers, it can also pose certain risks if not used responsibly. These risks include lack of governance, job displacement, and security risks. It's crucial to use open source AI responsibly with proper guidelines and regulation in place to ensure it is developed and used in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. It's important to be aware of the potential dangers as well as the potential benefits of open source AI. So, what are your thoughts on AI technology, and especially the open source AI? How do you think it can be used responsibly to benefit humanity? And what measure do you think should be taken to mitigate the potential risks? Leave your answers on the comment section. We hope this video has sparked your interest, and we invite you to stay tuned for more updates on OpenAI's latest AI technology and how it is shaping the future. Also, stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will be diving deeper into cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and we also aim to provide you with an in-depth analysis and insights into the latest trends, innovation, and developments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.